Hello, and welcome to our winter glamorous makeup looks tutorial. Today, we'll be exploring stunning makeup ideas to help you shine during the chilly winter season. Although we won't have visuals to accompany this tutorial, we'll describe the steps and techniques in detail, so you can follow along with ease. First, let's start with the base. Winter can be harsh on our skin, so it's essential to hydrate and moisturize. Begin by prepping your face with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Next, apply a lightweight foundation that matches your skin tone, using a damp beauty sponge for a seamless blend. Don't forget to conceal any blemishes or under-eye circles with a creamy concealer. To achieve that glamorous winter glow, opt for a shimmery highlighter. Choose a champagne or icy silver shade and apply it to the high points of your face, the cheekbones, brow bones, and down the bridge of your nose. This will give you a radiant, ethereal look. Now, let's move on to the eyes. For a winter glam look, we recommend a smoky eye with cool toned shadows. Start by applying a neutral shade all over your lid as a base. Next, take a deep, shimmery gray or a navy blue shadow and blend it into the crease, focusing on the outer corner of the eye. This will create depth and intensity. To add more dimension, gently smudge a black eyeliner along the upper lash line and blend it out with a small brush. To make your eyes pop, apply several coats of volumizing mascara to your top and bottom lashes. You can also opt for false lashes for extra drama. Just remember to trim them to fit your eye shape and apply